Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this antique looking paper with the torn edges that you see on the screen. As usual, go to the media pool, right click, do Fusion Comp. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to. And leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there on the screen. Get a background. Turn the alpha all the way down. Go to one viewer. Get a fast noise. Select the fast noise. Change the detail to 8.0 and the scale to 4.0. Go to the color tab. Turn the alpha all the way up on color 1. I will leave this here for a minute so you can get the color codes if you want the exact color. And color 2, make an off-white. And with the fast noise selected, get a polygon. If you hold shift down on the keyboard, it'll make a straight line. Make sure you have the Insert and Modify tool selected. Now select the Modify Only tool. That way you won't add any extra points on your line. Highlight the vertical ones. And smooth. Now do the horizontal. And smooth. And you can lock it here if you want. And go up here to Effects, Templates, Edit, and Effects. Paper Edge. Set the border to 0.005 or to your liking. And the edge intensity 0.14 or again to your liking. Go to the color, pick the same color, but go just a little bit darker. Right click on the polygon, copy, click away, and paste instance. If you don't know what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you've taken it off from. Everything highlighted in green, and even if it isn't highlighted, it's still coupled to the original node. So if you change something in one, it'll change it in both until we decouple them. And they call that de-instance. And we're going to do a few in just a moment. Get another background. And select the instance. Right click on the solid and de-instance. Uncheck it. Right click on the soft edge. De-instance. Right click on the border width and de-instance. Put 0.001 in the border width. And 0.005 on the soft edge. I'm going to back it up and show you what that did. We just made this hard edge a soft edge. Now I'm going to change the color. You can leave it black like that and have it look a little more antique if you want. I'm going to put the same color on it. I just want to get rid of the edge. Select the merge. Add another one. I am going to have a header on this, so I'm going to use a multi-text. If you're going to have all one size text, you can use just a regular text. Shift space. I am going to use Old English Text MT for my font. And put the text you're liking in. And there's a couple ways of moving this around. You can go to Layout tab, or you can grab this little arrow point up and it'll move vertical. Grab the one going to the right, it'll move horizontal only. Grab the center one, you can move it anywhere. And to reset it, just double click center. Add another text. Go to Text tab. I cheated here. I didn't think you guys want to wait 20 minutes so we write all this text in. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.